Hi, hello. Hi, hello. This is Charlie Jose, and you're watching another unboxing video of UpStreamCharlie. In today's video, we'll be unboxing another Tylex product. It's called the XM21. Yep, it's a mini speaker, mini wireless speaker. Okay, saw this on their flagship store page in Lazada, so I thought I'll buy this because I saw that it's affordable. I already bought several TNG mini speakers, and so far so good. So I want to try Tylex and see if this speaker is also good, given that it is just a small speaker, a mini speaker. This has a 5-watt speaker, and what else? It has a 300 milliamp battery. The charging time is 2 hours. And what else? I guess that's it. That's all we need to know. And let's open this. I already sliced the plastic. So it comes in a plastic container, and along with the item is your user manual, and of course your charging cable. So this is the main product, and let's see. Here's my first impression. The packaging is very good as usual. When it comes to Tylex, they really take care of their brand name and their quality. In terms of the product itself, I bought the white one. I guess they only have the white one, and this one has a microphone as well. So if you need to do some calls using your cell phone, or probably even in your laptop, if you're doing Viber or Microsoft Teams or Zoom, I guess you could use this as your microphone. And what else? So there's not much of a control except the power button, and underneath is 4 rubber stoppers. Okay, let's check. Okay, it has good grip. Okay, the whole body is metallic except for the bottom. It's made out of ABS plastic. Yes. Okay, let's try to turn this on.
Power on.
Let's do that again. Is there any indicator? Okay, there's an LED indicator. So I guess the Bluetooth is
Pairing.
okay. Once you turn on the power button, it includes the turning on of the Bluetooth signal. So let's try to turn it off.
Power off.
Okay. So in this case, the Tylex XM21 has both power on and power off voice prompts. So that's good. Let's try to turn it on again.
Power on. Pairing.
Okay. It takes a while for the Bluetooth to turn on. I guess that's okay. So let's try to play one music, and after this, actually I'll do a full review. So watch out for the full review of this product from Tylex. Okay, chapter 2 would be try to test one music for this.
Connected.
Okay, that ends our test for the Tylex XM21. So far so good, I think. But I will do a full review on the next video. So this is just a sneak peek of the Tylex XM21, and just mention to you my first impressions about the product. So abangan nyo po yung susunod na video about this. So that would be the full review. No more unboxing on that one. It's just gonna be a critique, and we'll do more extensive sound testing so we could give the final verdict for this product. Again, this is Charlie Jose saying thank you very much for watching, and see you on the full review of the XM21 mini speaker. Bye-bye! See you on the next video. Bye-bye!